Agentforce is more than just a tool. It is the digital labor platform that brings humans and agents together to drive customer success. While turning it on is easy, the true impact comes from a strategic end-to-end approach aligned with your unique business goals. To help you master the real world, we are breaking down the official 4-step roadmap to lasting Agentforce success. Step 1. Assess your readiness. Step 1 is evaluating your readiness for Agentic AI, intelligence that can make decisions and take action on its own based on the parameters you lay out. Partner with your IT team or success guides to evaluate 3 key areas. People. Do you have a committed project lead and stakeholder buy-in? Process. Have you defined your work-back timeline and evaluated ethical concerns? Technology. Do you have the right licenses assigned and AA framework to ensure accurate outputs? Step 2. Evaluate your platform architecture. Even with the right tools, a poorly architected platform will limit your ability to scale. You must focus on 3 architectural pillars: availability, ensure your system runs optimally to minimize downtime, performance, increase capacity limits so your platform performs under pressure, scalability, connect your data for fast retrieval and plan long-term strategies for data volume. As Amy Matthews, VP of Success Architecture, says, establishing a reliable foundation now avoids costly rework later. Step 3. Establish guardrails and governance. Governance ensures the quality, accuracy, and ethical use of AI. Bring together a cross-functional team to enforce standards. Maintain a framework that ensures consistency and adherence to regulations. Monitor and optimize. Track performance and adjust usage as your KPIs change. Foster innovation. Explore new use cases in an ethical and trusted way. By involving the whole business, everyone is jointly responsible for using Agentforce ethically. Step 4. Foster ongoing learning and adoption. AI isn't a one-time initiative. It's an ongoing journey. To maximize your investment, you need a culture of continuous learning, training. Use resources like Trailhead and virtual workshops to upskill technical teams. Certifications. Leverage the AI for All initiative to earn formal credentials at no cost. Employee recognition. Publicly recognize your early adopters to drive organic adoption. Following these 4 steps, assess, evaluate, establish, and foster, ensures your implementation builds for tomorrow, today. If you're ready to prove your expertise and pass your Salesforce certifications with confidence, head over to CertifySF.com for scenario-based practice exams that reflect the real world. Let's build the future together.